Shlok 3 of Chapter 1.
Pashyaitam Panduputrāṇam Acārya Mahati Chamu Vyudhan Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhīmata.
Acharya Pashya Etam Mahatim Chamum Panduputranam. O Acharya, look at this huge army of the sons of Pandu. Vyudham Tav Shishen Drupadputren Dhimta, arranged by your student Drishtadhyumna, the son of King Drupad, wise. Acharya Pashya Etam Mahatim Chamum Panduputranam. Vyudham Tav Shishen Drupadputren Dhimta. Interpretation. O Acharya, the one who is considered the scholar of numerous scriptures, created by vicious human beings, look at this huge, mountainous army of the sons of Pandu, equipped with the weapons of knowledge, formed very quickly within a short time, and arranged by your student Drishtadhyumna, the son of King Drupad, who has become wise.